Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things space and astronomy. Today, I have some exciting news for you. Earth has a second moon. Well, sort of. It's actually an asteroid that has been orbiting our planet for a few years, but it's about to leave us soon. Let's find out more about this mysterious object and why it's flying away. The asteroid is called 2020 SO, and it was discovered in September 2020 by the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii. It's not very big, only about 50 meters or 164 feet across, and it has a very unusual orbit around Earth. Unlike our regular moon, which orbits us in a nearly circular path, 2020 SO follows a corkscrew-like trajectory that brings it closer and farther from Earth at different times. Sometimes, it's as close as 40 times the distance of our moon, and other times, it's as far as 100 times. This strange orbit is caused by the gravitational pull of the Sun and the Earth, which constantly tug on the asteroid and change its direction and speed. Because of this, 2020 SO is not a true moon of Earth, but rather a temporary satellite or a quasi-moon. It's not the first one we've had either. There have been other asteroids that have been captured by Earth's gravity for a while before escaping again. But what makes 2020 SO even more interesting is that it's not really an asteroid at all. It's actually a piece of space junk from the 1960s. NASA researchers found out that 2020 SO is the remains of a rocket booster that was used to launch the Surveyor 2 lunar probe in 1966. The booster was left in orbit around the Sun after the mission, and eventually came close enough to Earth to be captured by our gravity in 2020. How did they figure this out? Well, they compared the chemical composition and the infrared signature of 2020 SO with another rocket booster that has been in orbit since 1971. They also looked at the historical records of the Surveyor 2 mission and found that 2020 SO matched the trajectory and timing of the booster. So, 2020 SO is not a natural object, but a man-made one. But don't get too attached to our second moon, because it's not going to stay with us for long. In fact, it's already on its way out. On February 2, 2021, 2020 SO made its final close approach to Earth at about 220,000 kilometers or 140,000 miles away. After that, it started to drift away from us, and by March 2021, it will leave our orbit entirely and go back to circling the Sun. So, farewell, 2020 SO. You were an unexpected visitor, but also a fascinating one. You reminded us of our past achievements in space exploration, and also of the challenges we face with space debris. You also gave us a chance to learn more about how gravity works and how objects move in space. We hope you have a safe journey around the Sun, and maybe we'll see you again someday. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about Earth's second moon that flies off into space. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more space and astronomy content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.